Hello everyone, myself Ravi. In this video I will tell you about some troubleshooting about command prompt. So first of all, I will tell you how to open the command prompt. Those who are the beginners, simply press on Windows key with R on the keyboard. Then the run box will appear. Inside the run box, open, type CMD, then press OK. You will get the black screen like this. If you change the properties of the command prompt, on the top of the CMD, right click, go to properties, then you can increase the font size. Suppose I'm increasing font size to 22, my font size increased. And colors, I will choose my screen background, now it is black, now I will change it to gray. And my screen test, now it is white, I am changing to black. Then you have plenty of options. See this, these important options. Then OK. See friends, my command prompt was changed. Mainly in this video I will tell you about some troubleshooting. I'm typing some command hostname. Actually this command will display my computer name, but here the command prompt is just not working and it throws some error. How to fix this error? For that, no need to worry, simply open the C drive. Inside the C drive you will find Windows folder. Open the Windows folder. Inside the Windows you will find another folder named as System32. So go to System32. Here inside this System32 you will find ping.exe. ping ping.exe. Wait, actually ping.exe is the main file to run the command prompt. So I will show you. This is the ping.exe is the application where the command prompt will be executed. So no need to run this ping, simply copy the path of system32. Close this. My computer, right click, properties, go to advanced system settings. In the advanced tab you will find environmental variables. Click on that. Here it will display user variables and system variables. No need to disturb user variables. Go to system variables. Inside the system variables you will find the name as path. Simply edit that with the new button. Those who are using Windows 10, they will find new button. Paste this system32 path. Those who are using Windows 7, for them simply edit this. After that keep the semicolon and paste the system32 path. That's it friends. Then OK, your path will be saved. Now I am opening CMD. Then I am typing same command whatever I typed earlier, hostname. See it friends, now my computer name is displayed. Now the command prompt is functioning properly. This is the thing friends. Those who liked my video, please like me or subscribe me. Thanking you friends.